Hi everybody, this is Deborah Harrison with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. I am so excited. I want to share with you today the February Stamp Club. It uses the Paper Blooms Designer Series paper. That is actually one of the papers that you can get free during celebration with a $50 order. Also too, I chose to showcase the Happy Thoughts stamp set. It's not very often that we have a stamp set with just some really nice all occasion sentiments all in one stamp set. And I just thought it worked beautifully with these cards. Now the Stamp Club kit does include the pre-cut consumable supplies to make all 4 cards and the box that you can either store your cards in or you can give them as a gift. You will want to provide your own adhesives and your own inks and stamps. I'm highly recommending the Happy Thoughts. I think it works beautifully with these cards. Now you can get the Stamp Club kit either by purchasing the consumable supplies for $20. You will need to add $5 if you need it shipped. Or if you would like, you can also get it free with a qualifying order of at least $25 or more. And all it asks you to do though is pay the $5 shipping so that I can get your kit mailed to you. Now I did want to share with you, this is actually a very special stamp club. My friend Stacy Brown, she is a Mary Kay consultant here in town and a longtime friend. We are actually teaming up together for February Stamp Club to do something special here in town. We would like to donate a card and either like a liquid hand soap or hand sanitizer from her Mary Kay and donate that to a senior citizen facility here in town. So I'm gonna share with you the registration link. It has more details there for you. And guys, I would love to be able to make one of these kits for you, and I hope that you have a great time making the projects. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. Bye guys.